Hey, bio students, it's Mrs. Armstrong here. I am here to talk to you about how to create your own virtual locker. So starting off, I'm showing you a picture of my virtual locker. So once you open up into Schoology, you are going to get a copy of your virtual locker template. This is why I want you to do this is I want to get to know you better. We're in this digital world for a little while here, and I want to get to know you. So you're going to choose from 3 different templates that are included. They're right here on the left-hand side. And I want you to include 10 things or more to tell me about yourself. So I've listed some things that I want you to include. You can put some pictures of some family and friends, favorite TV shows, favorite movies or musics or sport teams, hobbies, anything. The list kind of goes on of what you want to include. And so you're going to choose your template. So if I wanted to use the blue lockers here, I have included also some props that you can use also. So if you wanted to put a picture of your pet in there, you can two-finger click on your Chromebook and you'll be able to hit copy and paste, or you can do the Control-C. I added some quick links because I know it kind of was a long summer if you don't remember how to use some of those. So then you're going to go to your locker and you're going to hit Control-V. That's paste. I know, Control-V as paste. So there is your picture frame. You can add a picture there. You can add something from the website. If you want to go back, if you are a Hulu watcher, you can go here, remember Control-C, copies it, go back to your locker, and Control-V. So then that's where you go in, you can size it to whatever size you want, you can make it in the pretty diagonals, you can cover up things. If you are also if you like plants or gardening or something like that, and you didn't like the 2 pictures that I have included here, you can go to your locker, you go Insert, Image, and you go Search from the web. And what you do is Insert, Image, Search from the web. You can go Plants, blank, background. So there's pictures of some plants with some blank backgrounds. So you can either drag that over, you can click it in. So here's a picture of a plant. You can add that in. And so you can add in anything from the web. If you wanted to add a picture from your computer that you have on there, so if you took a selfie of yourself using your computer, you can go Insert Image, you can upload it from your computer. If you have something on another device and you've added it to your Google Drive, which I would suggest if you have something on a social media, you can save it to your Google Drive. And then that's where you hit your Google Drive. Or if you have other photos on your device that you want to use, you can do your photos that way. After you're done creating your locker, I want you to do an explanation of your locker. I want you to write out what you've included in your locker. So if you go back, here's mine. I've included my general. I have 10 plus things in there about myself. And then I've included a summary about myself. So, hello, my name is Mrs. Armstrong. I will be your biology teacher this trimester. So, a little bit about myself. I have 2 cats, Roscoe and Spyra, and a dog named Willie. Well, I've included them. Also, they're a big part of my life. But also, since we're doing this digital thing and we're at home, you probably hear my dog bark at least once, and my cat's probably making noise or in the commotion background of one of the videos. So, thought it would be polite to introduce them. Pre-COVID, I played roller derby for the Minnesota Roller Derby, and I'm on the Dagger Dolls home team. In my spare time, I like to garden, bake, and work out. And my all-time favorite color is purple. And so I look forward to meeting you all, and I also cannot wait to see everybody's virtual locker. And with that, I cannot see the ones, I know some of you from when you were in 8th grade, when I had you in 8th grade, but I'm excited to see some of your virtual lockers, even though I have met you before. I look forward to learning more about you now that you are in 10th grade. Happy learning, and email me if you have any questions.